And over here is the haunted section. AJ's already dipping out. Where are you going? Here, look, magic mirror.
Alright, so Freddy Krueger. Oh, I know this one. I know this one.
What are you talking about?
I know this
Jeez.
one. You saw that already.
I know I saw it. I still got scared by it. Hi. Hi. What is up, you guys? Jeremiah Molina here, your friendly neighborhood Disney freak, and guess where I am today? That's right, you guys. I'm at Funko Hollywood today, and we're gonna be looking at some dope pops. We're just gonna be exploring this place because this place is amazing. They got Groot, they got Spider-Man, they got a bunch of superheroes, they got Avatar, all of my favorite characters. They even have Harry Potter stuff. Oh yeah, and before I forget, there's Dobby right there. What? Check it out, you guys! We found the Disney section! Twinsies! He's right there. That's him! Right there! He's right there! Definitely the reasons I came here is because Funko Hollywood has a bunch of pops that I've never seen before. So this is a great time to start collecting. I just hope that I really don't go overboard, you guys, because there's a lot of cool stuff here. You got like the vintage Mickey. Oh, I gotta cop that shirt. Oh, here we go again. Look, you guys. Sorcerer Mickey. I might have to get this. Wow, it's a whole bunch of Raya stuff. This is my wife right here, so of course I had to cop her merch, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we've officially reached the TV section of the Funko Hollywood store because if you look behind me over here, Rick and Morty, you got Game of Thrones, Stranger Things is in the corner, 11 is doing her magic hand thing. Star Wars section! Woo! And right next to it, best part, you got the TARDIS. Oh, this is a nerd paradise. Okay, seriously though, how big is this place? We just entered Arendelle. Elsa. There she is. Olaf! Up there is Marshmallow. This is sick. And there's Sven.
And Cinderella.
Where's Samantha? Well, there's Anna. Samantha. Samantha. I don't even know it's Samantha. Alright, you guys, so I just paid for all my stuff, and they put all the pops that I got into this suitcase, which is pretty sick, and I got this cool commemorative bag. This is for my t-shirts, by the way. Now, it's getting pretty busy in here, so I can't show you guys everything that I got right now at this moment, or better yet, with the magic of video editing, I can show you guys right now. Well, you guys, that was the Funko Pop Hollywood store. I had so much fun today. There was so much to see, and we got a bunch of cool stuff too. Well, that basically wraps up my time here, so if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, keep dreaming and keep believing. Oh yeah, and as Mike Schrute would say, identity theft is not a joke. See you guys.